Okay, we've got all the top done. Again, remember we're upside down here. We're now putting the legs on. Now the legs, this can be a classic case of frustration. You start doing them all up and then you realise you put the wrong legs in the wrong corner. So sort your mind out first. Once you line these up with their respective holes, that's all good. If you go and then line the other one up, that looks all good, but then notice you might have these holes facing the opposite direction to these ones. So when you go to put the cross brace in at the bottom, they don't match. So when you're putting your corners in, make sure that they not only align to their holes in their corner, but that the two holes at the top are also facing the same direction. And we'll show you what we mean. That pole there will eventually go between the two. Okay, now we're going to bolt the legs onto the frame. It has two holes, so don't just look to align one. You've got to make sure that you're maneuvering it around to ensure that this hole and this hole both align. Once they do that, simply slide the long bolts through to the other side. Get your nut, swivel it on, and likewise with the other one. Now, sometimes if you find the holes are slightly misaligned, don't tighten it up so much. Give it some looseness so you can give it some give to be able to adjust and make sure you can slide your bolts through.